They say there was a druid who would do whatever she wanted to, and maybe didn't really say much to ya. Now her aura's missed on every raid.